This is Benson from LTMG Machinery. I want to introduce a wholesale product manual stacker for you. The hole width is a bit wider and the height is a little higher than the products of our competitors. With international standard materials, the mast is strong enough to lift up heavy things. The tires can be freely chosen by customers, nylon or pure wheels. It is up to the kind of construction place. The screws and trans of wheel was also strengthened, just to protect the machine from twisting. To use this valve, you just need to turn it right to lift up, and turn it left to lift down. This valve is made out of steel. Comparing with this, plastic valve will leak oil, but steel valve will keep oil easily. To use this, you can tighten the valve and press the stick with foot, like this, lifting the goods. So this is the whole lifting process. And to make it down, unscrew the valve slowly. It can just be slowly. Thank you for watching.